Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to create product collections in Big Cartel. First, log into your Big Cartel account and head over to your dashboard. Organizing products into collections can make it easier for customers to browse your store and find what they're looking for. Next, go to the Products section and locate the option for organizing or categorizing your products. Depending on your store setup, this may be done through product categories or product groups. Click Create Collection or add a new category, then enter a name for your collection. For example, you might create collections such as new arrivals, bestsellers, clothing, accessories, or seasonal items. After creating the collection, select the products you want to include and assign them to the appropriate group. Once you've finished organizing your products, save your changes and preview your store to make sure the collections appear the way you want. Well-organized collections can improve navigation and help customers discover more of your products. And that's it. You've successfully created product collections in your Big Cartel store. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.